Okay, guys, welcome to Filing Dogs. So this release that today, July 17, 2017. Basically, what it is like the Department of Homeland Security provide relief to American business in danger of suffering irreparable harm. What it is, so if you used to hire temporary worker, no, they say non-agricultural workers. So they're talking about example Disney World, stuff like that. They have temporary job and they can't find employer. So it's kind of hard out there to find employer for some type of temporary work. So if you are really affected, let's say you are employer, you really affected. There is really shortage. It's a temporary job. You can't find worker for that. So and they understand, they say if you are in danger of suffering irreparable harm, so you should show clearly, if you don't get those workers, your business gonna get affected. If it's the case, so you will save. There is a relief now. You can petition, for temporary non-agricultural worker under the H2B program. They give additional, there is an additional H2B visa. So that's a relief for those company that used to hire, temporary worker, non-agricultural. So understand what they say. To qualify for additional visa, petitioner must attest under penalty or perjury. So understand, it's serious. Don't try to lie in order to, to get, some non-immigrant get the H2B visa. Okay, so it's critical. So business is likely to suffer. If your business is likely to suffer irreparable harm, if you cannot employ H2B non-immigrant worker during the fiscal, they are talking about this fiscal year 2017. So after consultations with the Department of Labor, Secretary Kelly determined that there are not enough qualified or willing U.S. workers available to perform temporary non-agricultural work labor to satisfy the need of some American business for the fiscal year 2017. So Congress gave, the discretionary authority. So they have basically the Department of Homeland Security. They got the discretionary. That means if they want to, they get this authority to provide temporary relief to American business in danger of suffering irreparable harm due to a lack of available temporary worker. That's why they say right now it's opening. So if you are out there, company, you're looking for employee, you can get them temporary. You can petition for non-immigrant, so they really have the H2B visa and come to work for you. That's a good news. But I understand you need to show that if you don't get these employee, your business will be really affected. Okay, you need to show that under penalty of perjury. Okay, understand that. So what they say, the H2B temporary non-agricultural worker program was designed to serve U.S. business unable to find sufficient number of qualified workers to perform non-agricultural work of a temporary nature. Okay, Congress set the annual H2B cap at 66,000. Okay, a maximum of 35,000 H2B visa are available during the first half of the fiscal year, and the remainder, including any units at H2B visa, is available starting April 1st through September 30. On March 13, 2017, USCIS received sufficient H2B petition to meet the full fiscal year 2017. That means the 66,000. So in May, Congress delegated its authority to the Secretary to increase the number of temporary non-idle. So they got basically the power to increase. So that's why they give you this relief. So starting July 19, we know today is Monday. So starting Wednesday, so petitioner, any company that are looking for, temporary worker, you can petition, you can apply using the form I-129, petition for non-immigrant worker, and you must submit the additional, form ETA 9142B, okay, with this petition. So basically the news is, if you're struggling out there to find uh, temporary worker, non-agricultural, so USCI, the Department of Homeland Security, give you a relief. You can apply. So you're gonna have the non-immigrant to get in the United States to work for you for a temporary period. Okay, that's a good news. So please remember to subscribe to Filing Doc. We are here to help you, let you informed, any decision and immigrations. So that's what we are doing. We try to help you. So subscribe, and if you want to help, you can help by clicking above. Okay, see you and for my next video.